guys, so we're gonna do a Tinytan Happy Meal unboxing. So this is the latest one that I got. I just got it earlier. And then let's unbox everything. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I've seen the others, but this one I haven't opened it yet. And I'm just gonna show it to you guys how they look like. This is V. This is V. There. So cute. That's V. We got V over here. So cute. Next, see this one. This is, who's this? Oh, so cute. Let's see. Does it turn? Oh yeah, it does. Okay. This is Jimin. We got Jimin. We got Jimin over here. Okay. Next. Okay, bear with me, guys. Ah, another Jimin. I got 2 Jimins. Okay. We got 2. Next. What number is this? Number 2. Number 2. Number 2. What number is this? 5. Jimin is number 5. This is number 2. Oh, so cute! So cute! That's Jin! It's Jin, guys! So cute! Okay, let's put Jin here. There. So cute. Okay, what's next? Let's see. This is number 2. Again, I got a duplicate, guys. I got duplicates. Who wants to trade? Who wants to trade? You can trade. I'm still missing Jungkook and Suga. J-Hope. Who's this? That's ay, so cute. Suga. We got Suga. So cute. Okay, almost there, guys. Almost there. Let's see. We got 4 boys here. Tinytan. Oh, and it comes with sticker. I don't know. One of the Happy Meals that I got, it has this sticker, but the rest, no sticker. I don't know. So, I'm not sure if that's how it is. Who's this? Who's this? Wait, this one goes here. That's Sugar. This is Jungkook! My bias! Jungkook! Hi, baby! Hello! So cute. Let's fix it. Let me move it a little bit over here. Need more space. Okay. I'm on the last one that I have. And I'm still missing. Wait, who am I missing? V, Jimin, Jin, Suga, Jungkook. I'm missing J-Hope and RM. face. Ah! I got number one! Number one! See? Number one is RM. I got RM. Yay! I'm only missing one then. I'm missing J-Hope. I need number 4. Oh my gosh. Just the last one. And that's it. Oh, there you go. RM. There's RM. Wow. Cute. They're all cute, actually. Super cute. Wait, where's the card? Let me get the card. There you go. RM. Look. Cute outfit. So cute. It says personality, passionate, very smart, bookworm. Wow. Strength, good leader, always thinking. All right. Nice. Only one more and I'm done. This is the throwback edition. And the next one, correct me if I'm wrong, but the next one will be this, the Encore edition. That's the next one. That's gonna come out soon. Cute outfit. Look at Jungkook. So cute. So that's it, guys. I'm just missing one more. Just J-Hope. Who wants to trade? I have extra Jimin and one extra Jean. There you go. So cute. All cute. Wow. Look at that. Now I'm gonna be searching for J-Hope. That's it, guys. That's it. All of them has this card. It comes with a card. Okay. There you go. BTS, Tinytan, Happy Meal.